So how do you do that? No need effect. Very simple. Go here, go for Eclipse tool, right? Eclipse tool, wherever it's stopping, here, hold shift and create a ball. Okay, hold shift and control, create a ball. Now there's a ball there. Okay, right? So, very simple. Remember to work smart. Don't be a hero. So go here, press opacity, which is T. Okay, you only want this balloon to be popped there, or it is owning something, right? It's triggering something there. So what you can do is opacity 100 at that particular point. Before that is 0. So boom, that. Whoop, boom. Easy peasy now. Okay. So when you hit this, now it's just to get the timing. Okay. Then you go for scale it. Scale it. Right. You can. Oh. See. Anchor point is very important. Huh? Again, I'm telling you guys, because you are going to do this mistake and eventually it is going to cost you. You're going to get frustrated. Every time I scale, why is it? It's not scaling from the center of the object. It is scaling from the composition center. What the hell is happening? Right? So, before you even do that, what you can do is, opacity is still fine. Before you do movements or scales, any transformation, opacity is still fine because opacity is standalone. Right? It's just visibility, on, off, that's it. Right? Before movement, what you can do is, you can see this beside the camera, the pan behind, press Y. Okay? Click on it, drag this, anchor, and paste it to the, drag it to the ball. Done. The middle of the ball. Once it's there, now you can scale it. See that? Okay? Scale it big. It is scaling from the center of the object. If you press Y, you see like a target vertical like that, right? Take the target, the anchor, drag it straight wherever it's supposed to be attached to. You drag it to the center, it will instantly snap. Okay? Any questions this far? And on a break? Want to go back? Let's just finish this line, huh? Okay, now carry on, burn yourself. Okay, now you have a scale of 100, correct? You want it to pop, right? So you scale, next one is about 150. If you want to go for your numbering proper, up to you, right? Let's say 150, pop, and then it goes back to 100. Okay? Whoop. Whoop. Right? Simple? That's how you do. And point. Right? So maybe here, I want to change this to, whatever color. Maybe red. Whoop. Zoop. Boom. Okay? So from here, you see it's all about the story, the flow. It moves up here, it ons this, it triggers something, and from there it drops something. Right? So we can constantly do things however it's supposed to be lah. Right? Say whoop. Starts from here. Boom. Okay? Maybe the timing is not enough to pop. Okay? I'm gonna squash this. I'm gonna go like faster, right? And I'm gonna scale this. I'm gonna look back at this, and I am going to press F9. Oops, F9. F9 easy is going, right? Of course, you go back, you play with your timing. Okay, so from here, I've gone whoop, boom. Okay, maybe the timing is not right. I can drag it over, boom. Right? I'm gonna go for key opacity again, F9. Right? I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go boom, trigger. Okay. One here for this. I can also add from here. The attribute is here. Sometimes the add is also here, right? Not sometimes it is there. There's various places. The moment you say add, you see add, you can add, right? Maybe here I can wiggle the path or transformation. Where?
This part and then make it blinking.
Or you want to continuously blinking?
Continue, but copy that keyframe and paste it in front of it or play.
How long you want it blink? Continuously.
Maybe 3-4 times blinking.
3-4 times. Okay. You want this blinking to go, let's say, up to 5 seconds. Okay? How do you do that? Okay. In here, first and foremost, you know this is only starting from here. So you trim your, first thing, you trim your length, your layer length. So you don't need to think about any keyframes before that and so on and so forth. Okay? So how do you do that? Before we go even further, click on this, alternate, close bracket, push. It cuts. Okay? It just cuts that part. You know, like how you do it in Premiere Pro with the cut tool, it's doing the same thing. Okay? So always keep it clean. Your life will be easier with After Effects. If not, you're going to cry. Okay? Once you reach here, I'm going to start. Maybe I want to have it blinked some more. How do I do that? Very simple. Alternate. Click on the what do you call the stopwatch. Right? Click once. Okay. It opens this script. Expression script. Okay. In here, these are common thing. This is commonly used across. So I'm going to use a loop because you want a loop, right? It's like a cycle, or you can do it like as if it is a ping pong. Ping pong meaning it's coming back and forth, back and forth. It's hitting back and forth and back and forth, right? Cycle means it's just going one cycle all the way, right? It's very useful, this one. Loop out. This is what you're going to type. L-O-O-P, loop, small letter. O is big, U-T, out, open bracket, quote, right? And then type in cycle. Cycle, quote, right? And then close bracket. Can loop out, L-O-O-P, O, big, and then U-T, cycle, code, that's it. Or loop, ping pong, right? Ping pong.
You can write anything, is it?
No.
Of the script.
You can, Then you can code the entire thing. Yeah, this guy you can really customize. If you're really good, you customize, you can do wonders. After Effects is very powerful. You can even read a character inside here. Do 3D. Okay. Oops. Contain error. What is happening? CYC CLE. Is the code wrong? Yes. Now, single code. Right. Once you do this, boom, boom, pom, boom, pom, boom, pom, boom, pom, boom. Boom, boom, pom, boom, pom, boom, pom, boom. Okay. Can I? Yes, you can. This loop out, this expression, what it does is, it is stating that this particular opacity is just beeping on and off, right? It is based on the keyframe that you have already set. So in order for you to slow it down or make it faster, all you have to do is you pick this. You're only doing once, the keyframe. Now I just adjust this. I can drag this all over to 15-16 frames. I don't need to do anything. Continuously. I do once. If I save my maybe a couple of minutes of time, the precious time that you have. You know what I mean? So in between here, sorry? What color you want? What color you want? Can? Can. Mesti boleh. Okay? So what I can do is, I can do this. Now, extra stuff that you can do is, you can go for the fill, see this color, and suddenly I see, it's boring. Red, just red. Maybe I want to change like a rainbow color. Red, right? I'm going to go here, color. I'm going to do a keyframe, right? Right click, again, wiggle. This time wiggle, right? And then I'm going to go open bracket, code, 1 star. Yeah, any random numbers, 2, every 2 frames, every 2 steps. It changes about 50, maybe the spectrum of saturation, it goes to 5 or 50 steps inside there, whatever. Okay, 2 to the power of 15, maybe 2, or let's try 5, comma 15, code, vote, and close. Whee! Again, what the heck? Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Hang on. Hey. Hey. How come? 2 seconds sensation. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Hang on, I need to recall this. Wiggle, wiggle. Is it dot? Yeah, there's too many things on my head. Cannot be. Damn, forgot. Okay, there's some sort of error here. Let me see. Cannot be. Cannot be. No. Is it even wiggle? Okay. I'm going to hit this back again. Expression. Wiggle, wiggle. See? Yeah. Yeah. Why? Why you want to stalk him? Why, man? Why do you all do this? Help whom? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Is it wiggle out? No. Yeah, it's wiggle. Yeah. Yeah. I gave one, right? There you go. What the heck? It cannot be what? Anyways, let's not talk about wiggle. lah. Okay, it's already inside the tutorial. Right? So you can have a look at the tutorial and it will say wiggle. I forgot, it's wiggle. Is it quote x equivalent to, it's just numbers, that's it. It's very simple. Right? It's very simple, right? Wait, one more try.
So I think the W is always a small letter.
No, it's not small letter. Quite big. Why? It's supposed to be so easy. Okay, maybe I'm so just burnt out on this. Anyways, I couldn't recall. Sorry guys. Yeah. But anyways, you can always change colors by just wiggling on top of this. Right? So if you have a wiggle, you can add like wiggle. Sorry? Just a color. So it will just wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. It will just change the entire color. Alright? So it's just numbers. It's just that I would have lost it. Hi guys. Wow. I'm touched now.
Come on, sir.
Why don't we watch your tutorial?
Yeah, you can watch the tutorial.
Oh, sir. Oh, you don't have the comma or apostrophe, nothing. Just do then comma then 50.
No, the code.
You don't have the
Code. Okay. That 15, comma, 44. Nothing happens.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna click back on this. Bye bye. I'm gonna go here. Yeah. Click on this. Wow, I'm impressed.
Extra marks.
Extra marks, Levi. Right. For remembering what you have learned. Oh gosh. You're awesome, man. It's like, you're out of this world. Yeah. That shows that you have done the exercise quite well. Okay. Anyways, wiggle is one thing. Not all the time you're going to use this damn wiggle. Okay. But anyways, you can link it. If you sit down for After Effects, really in depth, you can really link it and link it and link it and link it. Right? So maybe for BDCM, I might not be teaching on the motion graphics anymore. Let's see. Uh-huh. I don't know. Do they? Oh, okay. Maybe. Okay. So why is he not teaching here? Okay, anyways. So once you have done this, okay, then carry on and do the rest, which means you can start doing your outline of your text. Okay. So here you can always go for your text, say bigger. Invisible text. Why is it invisible? Listen, I don't know. Eras, bold, ding dong, whatever. Okay. Come down here. Maybe you want to right click and then change this. Right click on that layer. You can change this to. Okay, look for the text. Where's this text? Jerk. Oh, I think I am really burnt out. What? It was there. Now it's not there. Yeah, create. Create shapes from text. Create shapes from text. Okay, the moment you create shape from text is it will retain your original text. Alright, you can change it anytime. It will create a duplicate right on top. A brand new text, kind of. Alright, so once you have this, Now what you can do here, under the content, you can have each one of this separately popping down. Right? It converts it. So it's like creating outline in Illustrator. In here it becomes a shape, and that shape is practically an outline, whether you want it to be outline or whatever not. And for each of this, it will have its own attribute. Separate, 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 separate. Okay? Sorry? What do you want? What? Oh, Uma. He's obsessed with you, man. Careful. Okay? See, okay? Right. So from here, right, you can either skew this, okay? Hello. What's happening? Something is happening with this. Whoop, whoop. Is my After Effects really working? Yeah. Thanks. Yes. No. Sorry, man. I'm extremely burnt out. But anyways, I can have this opposite. You jerks, right? So anyways, in here, I can do all these other movements and so on and so forth. Okay? So if you're working smart, right? Here you can even go to the path. You can click on this path, right? From this, it drops down and it fills this color, for instance, right? How do you want to do that? So you go here, once it hits, or once the moment it hits, bloop. So here, all this can move on, morphed to this dude. Example. Okay, take your time and do it. Okay, bloop. You can do that. It's like a liquid kind of thingy that is dropping on top of it, and so on and so forth.
So how do you cut shapes?
Cut shapes,
Yeah.
slice it.
And it becomes two separate.
Cut meaning.
Like a rectangle fly by and it splits in half like that.
You can do that as well. That is another way of doing it. Okay. Okay, this is Beagle outline. Okay. Another one, if let's say you want to do like a split like that, right? Two different things. That is what you call. You call what?
Slicing, splitting, halving, I don't know.
It's a split effect.
Sorry? Split effect. Meaning? Okay, I'll just show you this first. Okay, before we go any further with confusion. Okay, let's pick this and pick Y. Make sure this dude has his. Click again. It's in the middle, right? So now you're going to go for repeater. Point, point, point. Okay. This one will take a little bit of confusion. I mean, a little bit of tweaking. Alright, you might get confused. Okay. I will put this video for repeater specifically. This is for the burst. Essence. So everything that you want to have, like let's say you want to have a code, it comes in the I you want to emphasize. It just pops up to the I, like there's a idea popping up. It's like I, boom, idea like a bulb, boom, and then you see this, yeah, this bursting. So you want that, right? That burst, right? This is what you use for repeater, right? Okay, let's pray that this one comes to a proper level. I'm really burnt out today. It's like, what the heck? Okay, and then not this rotation, rotate, reject. See that? Right? Position. No, this is overall position. This is overall rotation. Hey, jerk. Okay. I can have now a couple of copies. Okay. Offset. Angle 0. See that? Okay. And I can, who's messaging me? Okay. I can also scale it. Right? I can reduce this to a couple of dots, whether it's dots, box, or whatever not, right? You can have that as well. This is overall anchor, if I want to, right? You can change this anchor from here to here. Normally we'll play with this. Okay? Can? These are things that you wanna play with. Volley. See? Like all the balls is coming out from there. From the middle there. You can repeat it by 50 degrees, 45, 15, whatever degrees that you want. It's up to you. Okay? 90, 180, 70, whichever that is reasonable or that gives you the best result. Okay, maybe this is about like 12, and eventually go ahead and add more and more and more. Okay, is it too much for you guys today? It's just 4, going to be 5 o'clock. We've got another hour and a half. Want to go for a break first? Okay? So play with this repeater. Repeater is quite important, the position. Okay? Can see? I can do wonders around the repeater. I can scale each one of it like that. Right? Okay? That. And then I can do a start opacity. Right? Okay, let's click this, and then once I click this dude, and console view. Now you wiggle lah. The color is just one part. Okay? Then you gotta do position, wiggle also. Let's wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Okay? That's how I think. Okay? So I think that's it for today. Right?